Alright, welcome back. Today we are looking at installing our very own AI. So I saw a video on this a little while ago today by Network Chuck, and I thought, man, that looks pretty cool. Would be interesting to see if we can get DeepSeek working locally on our computer here. So I don't know why I have that in the background. That was me testing my audio before. So I thought that I would ask a AI how to install itself, and this is what it told me. So it said Ollama and LM Studio, which is actually what Network Chuck recommended as well, and I think one of them is command line and the other one is a GUI. So I guess we'll try the GUI version maybe, as that one might be easier. And unfortunately my video card is not very amazing, so I'll probably only be able to run a very small AI model, but it'll be very interesting to see how it runs and what you can do with even a very small model that you can download. I've only got a 1650 Super video card, so I'm not sure what that will actually be able to run, but we shall see. So I guess we'll start off with LM Studio. I guess we just Google that and see how we get this. We'll go for the download LM Studio for Windows running x86, and there's only one version, so I guess we'll do that first. How hard can it be? Wait for that to download. Very exciting. 455 meg. LM Studio 0.3.9-6x64. Amazing. Alright, we have that downloaded and I have integrated the Windows, which is amazing. Let's install LM Studio, eh? Alright, I guess we install that for anyone. Installing LM Studio. Very exciting. Alright, we're ready to run LM Studio. Here it is. Will I be able to squish it into the corner? Do you have to log into this? Very slow. Alright. Get my first LLM. Skip onboarding. DeepSeek is already in there. Wow. And that's the 7B one, which is apparently 7 billion. Maybe the 7B is the right one. QWEN7B. Let's have a look on the website and see if there's a better version that is a bit smaller. I'm kind of interested to see how smart the really non-smart AI is. Maybe I just skip this LM and then select a model we don't have any yet. It only has an option to download Llama 1, but I think you can go to the website and download them and then add them to this. Now just have a look on the DeepSeek website. R1. How many people would have downloaded this lately? Probably a few. Ooh, look, now I'm all highlighted because of my monitor. Yeah, we definitely need dark mode on this. Oh, I can't do dark mode. Come on. So I'm not sure what the distill models are. Fine-tuned based on open source models. Alright, so if you go into LM Studio and then click the search, it actually comes up with some other models that we can select. And I want to do a really small DeepSeek, I think. So it's got the smallest one it seems to have here is Qwen7B, which is 4.68. Or you could do this one, which is a little bit smaller at 4.09 gig. I wonder what these ones are. These are a bit bigger again. Man, 5 gig is a lot. It's going to take a while to download this. But I did kind of want to test DeepSeek even if it is the non-smart version. Partial GPU offload. Partial GPU, yeah. My GPU is not powerful enough to offload to, unfortunately, which is a bit sad, but that's what I get for having a non-exciting GPU, I guess. I wonder how it will run even if it's not offloaded. It has a thumb on this one. Based on my hardware, they're recommending this 4.68 gig one, so I guess we'll download that and see how we go. 7B is still a fair few. 7B on 7 billion, isn't it? That's what it stands for, I think. 8 minutes to go, because my internet is slow. That's not too bad. Alright, it has completed downloading. Now we can load the model. DeepSeek Qwen7B. Will this break my computer? Possibly. Oh, my computer's going a bit slow now. 1.8 gig RAM used, CPU 5%, and we can now 0 tokens. Do we need tokens to talk to it on our own computer? Hopefully not. Say hello. Thinking. Look at the RAM, 3.9 gig and 32% CPU. And then it asks, how can I assist you today? There we are, we have our very own AI. 0.93 seconds to first tokens. Why does it say 32 tokens? Is that how many tokens it just used to say, hi, how can I assist you? Maybe. What else can we ask it? I don't really know what else we can do with it. Let's see if it can code anything. Can you provide a basic HTML layout? Thinking. 34% CPU, 4 gig of RAM. Pretty slow, but we do have a very slow video card, so I guess that's why. We'll try the same thing in Gemini while we're waiting, as it's still thinking. But it is cool to be able to run it on your own computer, isn't it? New chat with Gemini 2.0. This does this in about 2 seconds. Yep, that's pretty good. Is ours still thinking? Yes. So here we go. We're producing something. It took 30 seconds, which is okay. It's not too bad. We're not running on some crazy supercomputer. We're still producing here. It's actually quite nice. Uses font family Arial. Interesting. Oh, look, it even does a background header, color white. This will be interesting to see this layout, actually. And this is the very basic version of DeepSeek R1 as well. The only 7 billion, I think 7B stands for 7 billion models trained, or 7 billion something like that. I don't know. 7 billion something. Basic HTML layout. Nav. Oh, it's even doing a navigation. Nice. With jump links to each section. What's it going to look like? A side, float left. Still using floats. That's fine. Floats do the job. Welcome to our website. This is our home section of the website. About section, about us. It's going to be pretty basic. This is taking a while. I'll come back when it's finished. But still, it can code. That's pretty smart. Using 4 gig of RAM and 35% CPU. Still going. We're up to the footer. Copyright my company name. Aside. Quick links. Alright. What else can we ask these language models? It's pretty cool it's running on my own computer. So I can unplug the internet and it will still work. Interesting. This is a fairly detailed basic layout. Yeah, it even says what the layout includes. Basic HTML tags, head, body, H1, etc. Semantic tags, styling, footer at the bottom, responsive considerations. Wow, that's pretty clever, man. That cost, well, that took 1,177 tokens and 6.16 tokens per second. All right, let's try this layout, see what we've got. Copy user, paste into Notepad. The Notepad in Windows 11 now is actually pretty good, isn't it? It's a dark mode Notepad, so that's nice. All right, see what it looks like. Whoa, that's very, very bright. Basic layout. This is really basic, but still, it did do a double quick links for some reason, and the aside is not working. Oh, well, you can't expect too much, can you? It is only the basic model after all. Still not bad. I wonder what else we can ask. What else can we ask? I kind of like this back in the background. We'll see if we can get it to generate a title for this video. So my working in progress title was AI DeepSeek run on your PC. Let's see what it can generate from this. Can you create a video title for following video based on AI DeepSeek run on your PC? Thinking 4.26 gig of RAM. And 14% CPU. I wonder how my system is running on this actually. In use, yeah. It's using a bit of the video card for this, isn't it? 4 gig, 49%. Is it actually doing it? Still thinking. Thinking. Does a lot of thinking. Context is 30.2% full. What does that mean? Is it safe to run LM Studio and DeepSeek on my computer? Hopefully. Who knows what it can do? I mean, there's an AI loose on the computer. Or is it contained in here? We definitely don't want to run it at startup, that's for sure. Maybe we'll disable that while it's thinking. What has it got? Startup. There was something about starting with Windows, I think. Ah, there. Yeah, we don't want to do that. We don't want to do an LLM service, do we? No. Otherwise, it'll just run all the time and then my computer will be broken. All right, still running? Thinking. It's definitely not fast, so you can ask it things and then come back later after it's finished. And then if I ask this on Gemini again, obviously it's running on some crazy amount of hardware. There we go. It was 1 minute and 31 seconds for that. Based on the description, here is a potential video title, AI DeepSeek, your ultimate discovery partner. Oh jeez, it's a bit AI-ish, isn't it? This title suggests that my video will explore how DeepSeek works. Yeah, okay. We're not going to be using this for anything useful. But still, it is AI running on the PC with LM Studio. Anyway, I think that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.